stylish, yep, social, and effortlessly charming. Pero do not be fooled, okay? Behind that dazzling smile of hers, ay isang taong alam eksakto kung paano makuha ang gusto niya. She's confident, yes. She's strategic, yes. And plays the game like a queen. Let's give it up for Hyacinth Caliado as Grace. There we go, Hyacinth Caliado. You look so amazing today. But you wanna greet everybody here bago tayo magsimula?
Hello po, everyone. Thank you guys for all being here. I'm so excited. I'm also a little nervous, but I feel so proud of everyone, and I'm so excited for you guys to, just be here with us. So thank you.
You're excited, I can feel it. Yeah, take a seat, Haya. Enjoy. Alright, there we go. Haya's in the house. Kaya naman, dagdagan